Let us continue our topic earthquake. We have started the topic earthquake. We are discussing about the causes of earthquake. The first was a volcanic eruption. Whenever the violent volcanic eruption occurs, it is always followed by the severe earthquake. As one example was given, the earthquake occurs near the Java and Sumatra island in the Southeast Asia. It is experienced till the Cape Horn, South America. Now the next topic we'll see, that is the next topic is a folding and faulting of the earth crust. You have seen in the previous chapter how the crust was floating on the mantle. It was floating on the mantle, and sometimes the folding, when the two forces acting in the same direction, the folding occurs, and similarly when the forces are acting in the opposite direction, the crack was developed, the fault was occurs. Now, this you can understand because whenever the folding occurs, the earthquake occurs. We have experienced in the year of 2015, the severe earthquake was there in the Gorakhpur also. It is because of the folding only. It is because of the folding, the mountains in the mountainous region, the earth crust was folded over there, so the vibration occurs even in the Gorakhpur. So that was one example. Whenever this folding occurs, when the two forces acting in the same direction, the surrounding region vibrates. Either when the force acting in the opposite direction, the surrounding region vibrates. Because of this folding and faulting, the vibration occurs, and that is known as a earthquake. Some example was given. If you see, some example was given. Earthquake occurs when the movement of the earthquake takes place among the line of fractures called fault. At the line where the folding or faulting occurs. Such earthquake is called tectonic earthquake, the San Andreas fault of the California. In the California, the frequent earthquake was there, and the line is known as the San Andreas. Now the next reason is the plate tectonic. Our earth is made up from the several plates. Sorry. See, it was given. The Earth's surface is made up from the several plates. See, it was encircled. The encircled area is a plate, several plates on which the continents are floating. Now, this plates always, because it was floating on the mantle, sometimes it always wanted to adjust with each other. And because of this adjustment, sometimes this plate, two plates, they push each other, sometimes they go apart from each other, and because of that only the reason vibrates, it is because it is known as a plate tecton. The crust of the earth is made up from the series of the movable plates. These plates move to the either side either. Whenever they move, whenever they push to each other, or whenever they wanted to adjust at the fold line, at the margin of the plate, the reason vibrate is known as a plate tecton. Now, next topic is anthropologic factor. It is mainly the human activity. You also know sometimes the man, it makes a big dam, sometimes for the construction of a road. It blew out all the mountain by the simple dynamic. It set up the dynamic, and the whole mountain was blown by the man. All these activities also causes the earthquake. The human interaction with the nature is also one of the main causes of earthquake. The extraction of minerals such as underground. When the mining was done, it was dig very deep, when the earth crust was dug, at that time also the reason is vibrate. Many of the earthquake of the world in the present centuries result for the construction of a big dams and reservoirs. When the big dams were there, this dam stops the flow of a river water. The surrounding region where the dam is constructed, the reason is vibrate. The earthquake in 1931, the Greece has been attributed the Montan Dam constructed in the 1929, the Koyna earthquake in the 1967 in Satara district of Maharashtra was due to the Koyna reservoir construction in the 1962. See, if you see these two type of earthquake occurs, it is because of the dam only. When the big dam was constructed, now see, this stops the flow of a river water, and because of only the reason was vibrate. So this was known as an anthropological factor. the factor which is mainly responsible for the man. So the causes of earthquake, the four things we have seen: the volcanic eruption, violent volcanic eruption, plate tectonic, when the two plates wanted to adjust each other. The third one is the folding and faulting, either because of the earth crust was folding or the faulting. The reason vibrates, and the anthropological factor, the activity of human being. Because of this, when the vibration occurs, it is known as an anthropological factor. So they are the causes of earthquake. Now next topic we'll see in the next topic. Thank you.